Welcome to Mr. Belleskitchen today. Today I won't be using the Power XL. Today I'll be doing something totally different. And I would like to thank all my subscribers. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belleskitchen. Today, like I said, I'm doing something different. I'm just not using the Power XL today. Today I'll just be making some chocolate covered pecans and raisins. You know, we buy big bags sometimes of things and we don't eat all of it and everything. Brought a big bag of pecans, so I want to try a different way of doing these pecans. As you see, I have them in a bowl. They looking nice and good. And also we went and brought some raisins. We thought we was buying a box of raisins, the little boxes, you can just eat it. But when we brought it, we had 2 big bags of raisins. So we've been eating these raisins, a lot of raisins left. You don't want to throw it away. Times it's too hard to be throwing things away. So you have to think about what I'm gonna do with it. So Mr. Bell was thinking, what I'm gonna do with these pecans and raisins. And I seen my baby daughter in the kitchen making chocolate covered strawberries, chocolate covered prestos and different things, and doing a little decoration. And I'm looking at them, and I'm sitting down thinking, I'm saying, oh yeah, I'm gonna make some chocolate covered pecans and raisins. Usually we chocolate covered different things. I say, I'm gonna do that instead of putting it aside or throwing it away and everything. And as you know, you could buy these milk chocolate and you can just melt them. As you see, come in a nice cup. They come in a bag or either a cup. They nice, it's a lot in here. I'm gonna be melting these today in the Power, not in the Power XL, but I'll be melting these in the microwave. So what I'm gonna do, as you see this little tray sitting right here looking nice and good with the little cups in it and everything, about the little miniature cups and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna melt that chocolate and I'm gonna put a dab of chocolate in first, and then I'm gonna take my time and sit some pecans and little raisins, put another little chocolate in, and I'm gonna tell you, I tried it, I did it before, me and the kids and my wife. It was delicious. The only thing, I didn't have it in a cup. I just spread it out like a long piece. So I said, I'm gonna try it in a cup. And I'm gonna make a video of it and share this with my subscribers. And Mr. Bell be right back. I'm gonna get everything together and I'll be right back. Cause you know Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. I'm gonna move this camera up a little bit closer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull this top off. Put this paper to the side, but as you see how nice and it is and everything, I'm just gonna pour about that much in here in the bowl. Get a nice little figure of it and get that nice and soft. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit this in the microwave for about maybe 65 minutes and just get this melted right and good. While that is melting, I'm going to sit my little thing, my trays right here. Put my pecans and my raisins on each side. And we just going to do this together. You can't see my face, but Mr. Bell going to be doing this nice and good. Sit there so you can see, just like this. And that microwave should be stopping. And you know Mr. Bell and most of all his videos say, when this is drying and everything, the chocolate's getting hard on it, wash the dishes as you go. Don't leave it for the spouse, don't leave it for your friend, don't leave it for your roommate, don't leave it for your kids, wash it as you go. That way everyone can be happy and everyone sure would enjoy these chocolate covered pecans and raisins. So I'm gonna do this right here. And that should be it. See how that come out? stir this up a minute and see if they melted. Since I have so many in here, I'm gonna put it on another 65 minutes, and Mr. Bell will be right back when it's melted up. Okay, this right here is melted, as you see. It's nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little, start like that, put a little in that cup, so it get the bottom nice, good, and sealed. So, and I'm gonna put a little in there. I'm just go down the line and do a couple of these like this. So everything be nice and good. I'm gonna tell you, these are so delicious. You can do these, make these for dessert or anything, or you sitting down, or you going somewhere, and I'm gonna just do it like that. I'm just gonna make a couple of them right now, just to give you an idea of what you can do. And you take your pecan and just sit it in there like that, smash it in there, just like that. So take these pecans and sit them in right here. And I'm gonna let these get dry and everything, and put it in just like that. As you see, it's looking good. Take me a couple raisins and I'm gonna just put it on like that, so you take a bite and you be tasting everything. The pecan, the raisins, and the chocolate. Just like this. Put a couple on like that. Put it just like that. And it's gonna be delicious. Put it like that. So that way you don't have to throw nothing away. When you're buying too much of something, just think of an idea what you're gonna make out of it. Then you're gonna cover it up with that nice good chocolate and just let it sit in like that. And see the chocolate still melted and everything. And you just take that spoon or whatever you wanna use. You can use a bag or whatever and just pour it on there if you want to. But Mr. Bell doing it like this. This is my first time doing it, so I said I'm gonna share it. And look at that. I'm gonna share this, and I'm just gonna melt some more chocolate off the camera, and I'm gonna make the rest of these. And when I come back, these right here is gonna be so delicious. Hope these are hard and everything, that we get an idea, we be able to taste this together. Just like that. Kind of look like a little Reese or something like that. Get all that chocolate out the bowl and everything. But anyway, it melted real good. And Mr. Bell gonna be right back. As you see, it's nice and good and everything. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up. And I'm gonna just put this chocolate right over here on the rest of them, just like this and everything. It's gonna be nice and good. Just like that. Put it on the top, just like that. And I'm gonna tell you, this right here is gonna be so delicious. Just let that get nice, good and hard and everything. Just like that. Put it on there. Like that. Let that chocolate just melt right in there. I probably put them in to get them a little cool so I can sample one of them, show you, give you an idea how they come out and everything. But they looking very good and everything. Yeah, looking good. As you see, it's coming out real good and everything. That look delicious. I'll be right back. I'm gonna let them cool off and Mr. Bell be right back. Okay, this is my first time doing this and everything. As you see, they looking nice and good and everything. I'm gonna peel this one out right here. Oh yeah. Now that looks so delicious. I just gotta show you. It's off the paper and everything, the bottom and everything. I'm gonna take a bite. You can see the pecan and raisin. This right here is delicious. Nice, good chocolate, pecan. It is delicious. Try it. Okay, they all did and everything. As you see, they looking real nice and good. Also, if you don't like using the ones in the can, they come in the bag too. These right here work real good to milk chocolate flavor right here. And you just put it in a bowl and melt it any kind of way you want. You can just do the pecans or you can just do the raisins. But I did a mixture. Mr. Bell liked the mixture. So that's cooking with the Bells. If you like it, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that subscribe button and you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you. Leave a comment in the box. Thank you for watching. Mr. Bell be right, hoping I'll be able to sample one of these before I end this video, but they are looking delicious.